Good day everyone, my name is Rex Magdaluyo from Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering 1A. Ngayon naman ay papakita ko sa inyo ang derivatives of inverse hyperbolic functions. Ang ating problem ay ang d over dx tan h raised to negative 1 times 5x plus 3. Ang formula ng tan h ay d over dx tan h negative 1 u is equals to 1 over 1 minus u squared times dy over dx. Hanapin muna natin ang ating u, which is ito ang ating u, 5x plus 3. At ang derivative naman ng ating u, du over dx is equals to 5. Yan na, isa-solve na natin. I-substitute na natin siya dito. Magiging 1 over 1 minus ang u natin ay 5x plus 3 squared times sa ating derivative na 5. And then, baba lang natin. 5 times 1 is equals to 5 over 1 minus. I-simplify lang natin siya. Magiging 25 x squared plus 30x plus 9. And then, ba lang natin yung 5 1 minus 25x squared minus 30x minus 9. Then 5 over 9 minus 1 magiging negative 25x squared plus 30x 9 minus 1 is equals to negative 8. Then negative 5 over negative 25x squared plus 30x plus 8. At